The and before the blank is assigned to predict that the correct answer will reflect the meaning of capricious, which denotes the changing mood or behavior, or erratic, which is not certain or settled. So we can easily eliminate choice E given as settling. First of all, we can eliminate capitulating as choice B, as it means accepting to do something unwillingly, and nothing is described about being capitulated or accepted military defeat here. Enervating as choice C means causing to feel weak and with no energy, and capricious does not deal with any kind of energy, so choice C cannot fit to represent the blank. In an election, the electorates are the most important elements, and so they cannot be trifling, which means they are unimportant given as choice D. So choice D also fails to fit the blank. Vacillating as choice A means oscillating, that is, it is not certain or constant, and they are uncertain, and they change often between two opinions, and so it fits to reflect capricious. Choice A thus fits the blank to make sense. So the correct answer is choice A.